Hello, in this lesson, we're going to be reading a essay about the ocean with the lesson target of learning what the unstated main idea and supporting details of that main idea. So I'm going to start reading it. Please follow along with me as I go. Land beneath the waves. When you fly over land, you see geographic features such as canyons, mountains, and plains. The ocean floor has the same features as land. We can't see them because they are hidden beneath the water. Around the edge of the continents, the ocean gets deeper very slowly. This area, though underwater, is actually part of the continent. It is the continental shelf. So that paragraph, I'll pause reading. That paragraph was about the continental shelf. And I can kind of show that right here. The continental shelf ends suddenly and makes a downward slope. This area is the continental slope. At its edge, the continental slope deepens quickly. So again, this paragraph would be about the continental slope. Beyond the continental shelf lies the deep ocean floor or the abysmal plain. Flat land covers most of the abysmal plain, but mountain ridges and valleys also exist in this deep water world. The abysmal plain covers almost one half of the earth. This paragraph would be about the abysmal plain. So you can see that when we look at this, that this section of the ocean has three, this essay has three parts. So I'm going to erase that. Didn't realize that my marking goes along with it. I can highlight it here though. So you'll have to bear with me for a second. And I'm going to highlight it. So we can look at this here that we have the continental shelf in here. That's one. The continental shelf ends, and we have the continental slope, which is our second section. And then we have the abysmal plain. And that would be our third section. So I'm going to scroll down and we're going to look at this, and it's already typed out for me, so I don't have to really type it. But we can look at the unstated main idea of this whole essay is the ocean includes three main parts. And how do we know that? We know that each part has its own definition. Around the edge of the continent is the continental shelf. Um, the continental shelf ends, and this area is called the continental slope. And then we have the abysmal plain, which is at the ocean bottom floor. So again, this is about stating a main idea of an essay, not just a paragraph.